Hey there! Welcome to Travel Trove Tips, your go-to channel for everything travel. From busting popular travel myths to uncovering hidden gems around the globe, we've got you covered. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to the enchanting city of Braga, Portugal. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Braga is a must-visit for any travel enthusiast. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the hidden treasures of this Portuguese gem together. Welcome to Braga, Portugal, an enchanting city filled with history, culture, and natural beauty. Today we're going on the ultimate walking tour, exploring all that this stunning city has to offer. As we wander through the charming streets of Braga, you'll be captivated by its architectural wonders. From the magnificent Braga Cathedral, a symbol of religious heritage, to the elegant arches of the São Bento train station, every corner reveals a unique piece of history. Braga is known for its vibrant atmosphere, and one of the best ways to experience it is by strolling through its lively squares. Take a moment to relax at Praça da República, where you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee and soak in the vibrant energy of the city. Continue our journey and discover the Jardim de Santa Bárbara, a tranquil oasis in the heart of Braga. Lose yourself in its enchanting gardens, filled with colorful flowers and peaceful fountains. It's the perfect spot for a peaceful escape from the bustling city. Feeling hungry? Braga is renowned for its gastronomy. Indulge in mouth-watering local specialties such as pica no chão or caldo verde, and don't forget to pair them with a glass of vinho verde, a refreshing white wine that originates from this very region. No tour of Braga would be complete without a visit to the iconic Bom Jesus do Monte. The stunning Baroque stairway leading up to the sanctuary offers breathtaking views of the city. So, lace up your walking shoes and prepare for an unforgettable climb. As the sun sets, Braga transforms into a magical place. The city comes alive with vibrant nightlife, offering a wide range of entertainment options. Whether you prefer cozy bars or energetic clubs, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Braga is not just a city to visit, it's a city to live in. Its warm and welcoming community will make you feel right at home. With its affordable cost of living and excellent quality of life, many people are choosing to make Braga their new home. So, whether you're planning a visit or considering a move, Braga, Portugal is a city that will captivate your heart. Its rich history, stunning architecture, and friendly locales make it a truly enchanting destination. Thanks for joining us on the ultimate walking tour of Braga, Portugal. We hope you enjoyed exploring this enchanting city with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our Travel Trove Tips channel for more travel inspiration and adventures. Thanks for watching.